I don't think I'm going to stick around for another defrost cycle, but here is a Payne teardrop heat pump that is really frozen up. It's located along a public walkway. And that's really weird. I can't feel the air coming up out of it. It's like not coming up very hard. But yeah, look how frozen that is. That's solid ice. And I keep forgetting, I have a flashlight. So many damn pockets. Don't remember. There we go. And it was still on. I left it on. Look at that. Frozen solid. And this battery's freaking almost dead already? Jeez. Yeah, it feels like it's almost sucking air back into the heat pump instead of blowing it out. Oh, it's coming out the side for some reason. Out the side. Weird. That thing is absolutely frozen solid. That is what wet temperatures in the teens will do to a standalone heat pump in the Northeast. That one's not running. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.